Hello everyone, we're back for the result of the Headtourch we reviewed last week to see who the winner is. Oh, but before that, what a palaver I've had this morning. The hospital mapped me appointments up because obviously, like I said in last one, I've got to have a CT scan and I've got to go and see the doctor after that. And just found out that obviously once I've had the CT scan, it's going to be about 2 weeks before they get the results anyway. So I've had to rejig both the CT scan appointment because the doctor sent me miles out from where I can get to. So that's been arranged back to Doncaster. So I've rearranged that. So then obviously because they were literally 2 days apart at the beginning, it was going to be the 1st of February for the CT and then the 3rd to see the doctor. But they just told me that the doctor wouldn't have got the results until 2 weeks after. So that would have been a pointless appointment to go and see the doctor then. So they've rearranged that. So it's now the 8th of February for CT scan and the 24th of February to see the doctor. But literally I wanted to get this video ready for this morning, but it's now the afternoon and it's what, 1:15. So I ain't got long to do this video and get it out for you for R5 because I said on the community page that it should be out for R5 with the results and see who the winner is. Anyway, I've written all the names down from who commented saying they'd like to have a win. They're all, I know it's a roses box, it's all I've got to hand at the minute, but all the names are all in there. Basically what I'm going to do it is going to pick 3 out and then obviously put them back in the box. Or shall we do one at a time, shake one at a time, one shake? Because I want to take 3 at once because then obviously we'll put them back in and then take one and then the last one will be obviously the winner. But anyway, the mum wants to take the names out, so obviously give him a shake, she can take the names out. And if you're wondering what all this is behind me, because you can obviously see that's Fortnite and obviously you've got the llama and obviously the banners just above my head. It's because it was Andrew's birthday, which we have got a little birthday sing-song probably at the end of this video because it's Friday today, as you all know. And his birthday's tomorrow on Saturday. Well, not his birthday party's tomorrow. His birthday was Wednesday. So he had it, obviously he was in school. So, and we got a party for him on Saturday. So that's why these are still left up for the party. These need puffing up a bit though, because we found it a nightmare to try and find helium. So we've just blown them up with a mouth. And they're just hanging off just below the clock. So I'm going to have to repump them back up before tomorrow. So anyway, shall we get started to see who wins this Headtourch? I have still got it here somewhere. It's still there. Look, it's still in its box. This isn't the one you're winning though, because I'm not sending it. It's actually the company. I did send the company the link to the review actually, but they ain't got back to me. But hopefully they will with the winner, because I'll email them with obviously whoever the winner is, all their details anyway, so then they can send whoever wins your own little Headtourch. So anyway, let's get to it. So I'm going to shake them up. Good shake. And that don't sound a lot, but it is a big box. Well, not big like they used to be for Christmas, are they? All got smaller. So I'm not going to look. One at a time. No, don't open it. Put it here. Okay. I don't know who it is. No idea. Take the second one out. We've got that one. Is that 2? And then we've got one more. And that's 3. So there's no point saying who isn't in there. There's only 3 in there, so let's just tip them out because the winners are here in front of me at the minute. So, do we tell you who's in the top 3? I think we should, shouldn't we, make it a little bit more exciting then? So the people that know who are in here, they've got the chance of winning it then, ain't they? So, we have got Express Outdoor Adventures 7380. You're in the last draw. And then we've got AFK Officials 6243. So you're also in the final. And then we've also got Lower Michigan. Oh, hang on, it's one of these with tongue twizzlers. No good with big words. Or this is. I'm guessing this is actually the country. I'm not sure, but Lower Michigan Adventures. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. I'm not sure. But anyway, let's get these in the box, and we'll do one at a time for third, second, and then the winner being the first place. Obviously, because we've only got the one to give away, so it's between all you three now. So last shake. Obviously, the manager's going to take them out one at a time. So in third place, who have we got? Express Outdoor Adventures 7380. So apologies there. You never know. May add some more giveaways in the future. So keep with us and stay subscribed to us. You never know. So sorry about that. Second place. Who we got? Who we got? I'm going to pass them on the lid there with that open. Who have we got in second place? So who is it? Who is it? Oh, we've lost one. I'm going to have to shake that again. Mum had both of them together.
Sorry.
Shake again. Is that one? Yeah, because the other one's in there. So the winner's still in the box pot. Who's this one? So second place. Are you ready? It's AFK Official 6243. So apologies to you, but like I said before, keep with us. We may have some more giveaways in the future. We'll see how things go. So the winner, obviously there's only three, so whoever it is, you already know who you are. The winner is Lower Michigan Adventures. So well done. I will. What I want you to do now for me is give us an email, because I don't want you putting your details in the comments, obviously, because they're your personal information. Is obviously just put your name and address down in an email. I'll put the email at the bottom of the screen. So then you can email us with your name and address, so then I can forward that to the company, which is obviously Sunblesa, obviously our friend Gavin from Sunblesa, and he should send you a Headtourch out for you all to own. So I hope you're proud, happy with that anyway. Actually, I best keep that out just for reference. You know, hang on, where are we? I think you lost the name now. Yeah, I'll keep this one out. So I know when you've obviously commented down and be like, well, not comment, obviously you can just email us. So I'll keep my eye on my emails, because I'm actually waiting for an email from Gavin anyway, so I've got to keep my eye on it. So anyway, apologies to all of you that didn't win, but you never know. You know, as our channel builds, we get more subscribers and we get better. Obviously, Leg at the minute is putting everything on hold, but can't do anything for that. I'm going to have to, like I said, trying to get a video out every week, it's hard enough at the minute. We're not having nothing to record, so you might not get one every week, you might get one every couple of weeks, but I can only do what I can do. But hopefully once this is better, we can get out camping, get more and do more. We're actually planning some things this year, but all depends on my leg, so see what happens. But congratulations to the winners. Obviously, no doubt I'm going to put your name on the screen. And like I said, I'm going to keep repeating myself just so I don't want anyone forgetting. But like I said, give us an email. It'll be at the bottom of the screen with obviously your details, name, address, and then I can put that through to Gavin at Sunblesa, and then he can send you the product over for you to have. So I think that's it. I think what I'm going to do next week though, because a friend of ours, actually I've been following his channel for quite a while, I may do a couple of shout outs next week, because Charlie, you might all know him, I've said him in the, I think I've gave him a shout out in the past, but he gave us a little shout out in his last video, so give him, so I might do a few other ones, just like pick a few out and just give him a shout out, because you know, all these little channels like me, you know, and well, even the big channels, we help each other out, don't we? You know, to help us build and get better, and because I've had a lot of help from when I started YouTube in a previous video from other YouTubers, actually quite a couple of big YouTubers actually. But well, you'll find out who I'll give a shout out to. I'm just going to pick a few out and do, and just a little summit. I think that's it for today, actually. I'm sure there's more, yeah, but that's obviously the birthday wishes for Andrew. They'll be on at the end of this. And that's it.
And it was me that done them, so
yeah,
sorry.
the mother. But you never know. Stay with us. I'm actually thinking, I don't know whether I should or not, like contact, you know, some of these power stations. Might try and contact a couple of companies and see, and they might even get a giveaway for you on a big power station, but we'll see. We don't know yet, do we? But anyway, you all take care. But actually, no, before I go, I'm not going to say bye yet. I'll do it in a separate clip because I'm going to put the birthday wishes on now and then at the end. So I'll back in a sec. Right, that's the birthday wish for Andrew out the way. He had a good day, apart from being at school, but you know, what can you do? He's got a good day coming tomorrow, any Saturday. I don't even know if I might record a little bit of it. I might just get a couple of clips here and there, actually, of the birthday and how, because we was gonna go to like a little play area or something, but everywhere's fully booked. We've tried everything, and obviously we can't go nowhere because of me leg. Because it would have took him like to Scarborough, because Scarborough's only like an hour and a half away from us, but because I can't walk very far and there weren't nowhere else we could really go, we looked all over for play areas, and so we decided to have a little party at home. But I think there's going to be quite a few of us, so you'll see us all on camera. Quick say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
So I might get a couple of clips of that tomorrow, but obviously we're going to have music playing, so it's copyright, so obviously it's only going to be little clips here and there. I might put them in just for a little something for Andrew's party and a little something for YouTube for him as well. But anyway, you all take care, and remember, we've actually had a couple of new subscribers actually, so thank you very much. And if you don't know any of our names, if you ain't looked back, I'm Jamie, Tina's in there, we've got Andrew you've just seen, little Harvey, obviously my mum who gave the names out. And we are the Ellmers Adventures. So, you know, do all the good stuff. Give us a subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment. And if anybody that watches us anywhere on social media and anything, give us a comment if you would like a shout out, because I'm going to do some shout outs next week. So if you would like a shout out, let us know in the comments, especially if you've got a YouTube channel as well. We'll give you a shout out on our channel for you and see if that might help you as well. You know, help each other. As Tesco says, every little helps. So, you know, it's all completely free as well. So whether you enjoy watching us, all free. But guess what? Another good thing. Don't have to pay TV license for YouTube. Because we used to watch TV, but we don't no more. I can't remember the last time we watched things like EastEnders and Coronation Street and things like that. It was years ago. There's so much on YouTube now that can be interesting, even like little documentaries, and even do films on there like an hour and a half long as well. But that's what we do. But anyway, I'm not going to keep you no more. You have a fantastic day and hope you've had a fantastic week. Unfortunate for us, it's been quite a bad week this week, because not just the hospital, other things have gone wrong as well, but I'm not going to go into them and bore you. But we love you all to bits. And we'll hopefully see you next week, if not week after. Love you all. Ta-da for now.